this course is geared a little more towards the new realtors. Everyone can really benefit, but my new realtors, this is the reason why I put this class together. I wish that when I first started the business, something like this existed, where it taught me to organize my contacts, work my database, not pay a ridiculous amount of money for Realtor.com leads or Zillow.com leads when I really didn't even have the money, you know? So I really think that these new agents can really take advantage of this course and will boost your business in a short amount of time. What would take a regular realtor maybe 5 years will take you maybe 6 months to a year if you really are intentional and you make the right moves for 6 months to a year. How many years have you been licensed? What marketing avenues they're using in today's world. We're in 2020. Video